Welcome! This is Lesson 1-2, Part 2. Lesson 1, Part 2. Let's go. Yes. I'm Dustin. Yes. Yes. I'm Dustin. Yes. I am. I am. Yes, I'm Dustin. I'm. I'm. I am. I am. I am. Am. I'm. 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 I am Kate. I am Kate. I'm Kate. I'm Kate. I am Kate. I'm Kate. Am Kate. Kate. I am. I am. I am. I'm Kate. Kate. I'm. No. 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 I'm. No. When no word is after I'm, you must say I am. You must say I am. Are you Kate? Am I Kate? I am. I am. I am. You are. Name is. I'm. I'm. You are. You are. Your name is. Name is. Name is. Names. 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 This is a contraction. This is a contraction. This is a contraction. These. 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 All. These all are contractions. These all are contractions. These all are contractions. Oh, hi, Tom. Hey, Dustin. Tom, this is Dustin. Dustin, This is Tom. Nice to meet you, Tom. You too, Dustin. It's nice to meet you. You too, Dustin. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. You too, Dustin. It's nice to meet you. You too. It's nice to meet. It's nice to meet you too. It's nice to meet you too. They are the same. They are the same. Now you try. Make yes or no sentences. I will go first. I will do the first question. Question 1. Question 1. My name is Kate. My name is Kate. Make a question. Make a question. Is my name Kate? Is my name Kate? Yes. Yes. Is my name Kate? Is front is my name Kate? Is my name Kate? My name is Kate. Is my name Kate? Yes. Your turn. Your turn. Try it. Question 2. Question 2. Your name is Tom Cruise. Your name is Tom Cruise. Your name is Tom Cruise. Try it. Try. Try. First. Second. Here. Here. Is your name Tom Cruise? Is your name Tom Cruise? Is your name Tom Cruise? No. No. Your name is not Tom Cruise. Your name is not Tom Cruise. No. No. Your name is not Tom Cruise. Good job. Good job. And thank you. See you soon. Goodbye. Bye. Go to the next video. Go to the next video. Click on the next video. Thank you.